Hello friends, good evening. In this video, you will learn detailing and report of a structure. For designing of a structure, click on design option. Then go to concrete frame design. Then click on start design or check. Now software is designing the structure. It needs some time. Wait for some time. Here design is complete. By zooming the structure, we can see none of these members are failed. Hence, structure is safe. Suppose if any member is failed in design, then software can indicate the member in red color. By right clicking on the member, we can see detailed design of that member. Software design the load for critical combination. Here, highlighted row shows critical combination. Go to summary. These are the details of the member. You can go through the details of the member as per your interest. When we go to the bottom of report, we can see here there are movements obtained by the applied loads and we get required movements and we get required reinforcement here. Then close this window. Here you can see the flexural details of the member. Click on it. These are flexural details of the member. You can see them as per your interest. Close this window. You can also see shear details of the member. Okay. So this is the information of concrete column design. Click OK. Now we are going to see results for the structure. For that, go to display menu. Then click on show tables. Here we can see the results. For this, go to display menu. Then click on show tables. Here we see the tables model, analysis, design. For that, click on analysis. Click on plus sign. You can see options, response spectrum functions, time history functions, load cases, load combinations and results. We want results, hence click on results. OK. You can see at the bottom of the window, the new window came here. Click on area element joint forces. Go to story drift. Displacement of a story from original position is known as story drift. We have assigned seismic load to our structure, hence we are interested to see story drift. In this table, we can see the drift for the story floor. Similarly, the drifts for the other floors are also shown in the table. Now, we have to see the base reactions. So, go to the story drift. Click on base reaction. In the table, we can see the reaction in x, y, z direction, also movements in x, y, z direction for each load, that is dead, live, ex and ey. Now we are going to see beam forces. Hence go to that option, beam forces. It is taking some time. This table explains about the beam forces at each story due to dead load, live load, seismic load and also for the combinations. Now we are going to see column forces. Click on column forces. Similarly as beam, we can see column forces at each story for each column and each load. So in this way we can see various results of a structure from this list. So friends, up till now you have learned how to model the structure, analyze it, design it and to see the result of a structure. So try different structures and see the results. If you like the videos, then like, comment and subscribe them. Feel free to ask queries. Thanks for watching.